Hello everyone, today we are diving into the UAE's new upcoming Personal Status Law, officially known as Federal Law number 41 of 2024. This comprehensive legislation will come into place from April 2025, bringing significant reforms to family-related matters in the UAE, impacting both UAE nationals and expatriates. We'll explore its key features, including changes in marriage, divorce, child custody, and inheritance. So let's get started. The UAE has introduced Federal Law number 41 of 2024 on personal status to modernize its legal framework concerning family matters. This law aims to ensure fairness, transparency, and the protection of individual rights. It reflects a progressive approach aligning with both Islamic principles and global legal standards, and acknowledges the diverse nature of families in the UAE today. A notable aspect of this law is its applicability to all residents of the UAE. Expatriates now have the option to apply their home country's personal laws to matters such as marriage, divorce, and inheritance, provided that these laws do not conflict with UAE public order. This flexibility allows expatriates to manage their personal affairs in a manner consistent with their cultural and legal backgrounds. The law redefines marriage as a civil contract requiring the free and informed consent of both parties. The key provisions include: there is a minimum legal age, establishing a minimum age for marriage to prevent underage unions. There is the prohibition of forced marriages, implementing safeguards to ensure marriages are entered into voluntarily. There is the dowry for Muslim couples. While retaining traditional elements, the law modernizes the contract to promote fairness. There will also be prohibited relationships, clearly defining relationships within which marriage is not permitted. Then the law talks about the spousal agreements, allowing couples to outline specific terms within their marriage contract. These measures aim to protect individual rights and promote equality within the marital relationship. The new law also introduces reforms to the divorce process, offering two primary pathways: fault-based divorce, initiated on grounds such as abandonment or infidelity, and no-fault divorce, allowing couples to mutually agree to separate without assigning blame to either one of them. To support the stability of families, the law emphasizes reconciliation and mandates mediation before formal proceedings. In cases where divorce proceeds, guidelines are provided for. In terms of division of property, it will ensure an equitable distribution of assets. In terms of alimony, it will determine financial support for the spouse based on specific criteria. Child custody, it prioritizes the best interests of the children, with provisions to maintain relationships with both parents. These reforms aim to make the divorce process more transparent and fair for all parties involved. Child welfare is a central focus of the new law. Key provisions include custody guidelines. Decisions are based on the child's best interests, with the mother often receiving custody of young children, though this can vary, of course. Child support, the non-custodial parent is required to provide financial support to meet the child's needs. Visitation rights, the law ensures that children maintain meaningful relationships with both parents. These measures are designed to provide stability and support for children during and after the separation of their parents. In terms of inheritance, the law also addresses inheritance, offering a clear framework for asset distribution. For Muslims, inheritance is governed by Sharia principles with specific shares allocated to heirs. For non-Muslims, expatriates can choose to apply their home country's law or opt for UAE civil laws provided that they align with public order. To ensure one's wishes are honored, it's advisable to have a registered will that clearly outlines the distribution of assets. To conclude, the Federal Law number 41 of 2024 on personal status marks a significant advancement in the UAE's legal landscape, promoting fairness and aligning with international standards. Whether you are a UAE national or an expatriate, understanding these changes is crucial for managing personal and family affairs effectively. If you have questions or need legal assistance regarding the new personal status law, please feel free to reach out. We are here to help you navigate these changes with confidence. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights into UAE laws. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.